Looking for the best pet-friendly furniture for your furry friends? Let's explore the top materials that are resistant to scratches, stains, and pet hair. Leather is the undisputed champion of stain resistance and easy cleaning. It easily withstands claws and spills, making it an excellent option for dog and cat owners. Plus, the sleek and sophisticated look of leather adds a touch of elegance to your home. Velvet is a stylish and durable choice for pet owners. Its smooth surface makes it less appealing for pets to scratch, and its rich color and texture can help hide any pet hair or stains, reducing the need for constant cleaning. Microfiber, also known as microsuede, is durable, stain-resistant, and easy to clean. It's soft and comfortable for your pets to lounge on, making it a great choice for pet-friendly furniture. While linen is beautiful and comfortable, it might not be the best choice for pet-friendly furniture. It lacks the durability needed to withstand pets' playful behaviors and is prone to scratches. When choosing pet-friendly furniture, prioritize materials like leather, velvet, and microfiber for a durable, stylish, and pet-resistant option.